Hello, this is Mr. Golia. So now we are in our movie maker and we are ready to start because we have all our audio and all our images ready. So we have to start with images. So I click this button right here. I need to be in this PC and I'm going down to RID, and then you're going to go in to your Genius Hour folder, and for me everything I need is here. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the images. So when I click on one, if I hold down the control button now, I can keep selecting images, and now I'm going to click open and all these images come in that I'm going to use. Okay, so I still have some sorting to do. As you see, if I click and then drag and move, I'll be able to start moving these. Let's see if it goes like so, and play around with them. So let's say that was all the images I was going to use. I'm now ready for music. I can click the Add Music button. I'm going to the same place, this PC, and then I also want to go in my folder. And the only difference now for you guys should be, you're going into your audio folder, and here's my files. And again, I'm going to use the control button so I can select them all and click open. And now all the audio's in there. I need to I'm then ready to start playing around with the duration and the effects. So if I go into my tools, you can see like this one is 7 seconds. You never want anything longer than 2 to 5 seconds. So maybe I'm going to make this one just, my intro is like 5 seconds. So I would come in here and change it to 5. That's just one of the ways that I can change them. And then I hit pause. So I can go on, and I'm going to do each one of these, and I'm going to line up the audio. Remember, it's best to vary your audio. So sometimes, or your images, sometimes it's a split second. You only hold an image for a minute, or I mean a second, and other times you're letting the thing go for maybe 3 seconds, and you keep varying it to keep their attention. But these are the real basics for today to get you going with your podcast. Once you're ready to save, hit File. For today, you're just do Save Project As, save it in your Genius Hour folder, call it whatever you want to call it, and then you'll hit save, and that way you have the project saved. When we're ready to publish these, we'll do it a little bit differently, but you can go ahead and get started now.